Something which helps us to see things around us.
Yes, yes, definitely. This is the formal sentence. I need uh, scientific related answers, right? Anyone? Or maybe a in-depth answer. Maybe an exact. What is meant by light? Could speak in a chemistry manner, maybe physics
It's a
manner.
form of energy.
It's kind of energy, right? It's very good, right? It's kind of energy. Where any other thing? It's kind of energy, right? So where என்ன இருக்கு? Light which produces heat, Abhishek, right? So it's also correct. So light is going to produces heat. So what is the source of light? Before into that, what is the source of light? Light இருக்குன்னா லைட்டுக்கு ஒரு source இருக்கும் இல்லையா? Source. Where is the source? Let us consider room lighting, right? So we are just now in our homes, right? So we are using room lights. That's called ceiling light or wall lights, right? So where is the source? It has a property of waves and particles. Super selection. It's right answer also. One more right answer. It has the properties of waves and particles, right? So okay, Abhishek, light which produces heat. Okay, let me start, right? So we'll start from our room, right? So living room. So living room empty light energies now we are getting. So we are have a system like a lamp or bulb, right? So this system is going to convert one form of energy into another form of energy, right? So commonly in our room lights, living room light, it's going or lamp or light, right? So the system is going to convert electricity into light energy. So electricity energy into light energy, it's going to convert into those things. We're going to discuss later, right? So before into that, before invention of lamp, before invention of electricity, right? So what is mean by light அப்படிங்கறத நீங்க கொஞ்சம் just we need to think beyond that. So நம்ம என்ன ஒரு டாபிக் எடுத்தாலும் we need to go in depth, right? So அவருடைய x axis, y axis, origin இது எல்லாமே பார்த்துட்டோம்னா definitely we will not have any doubt at all. That's why I'm just moving with that this video. So before around 40 billion years ago, right? So there is nothing, right? So entire universe, entire cosmos, there is nothing, actually fully dark and cold, right? So there is nothing matter, there is no atoms, there is no everything, nothing, right? So the science will be started from there, right? So there is a big bang, right? So big bang, a blast, a bigger blast, right? So the blastல என்ன நடக்கும், அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் சயின்ஸே சொல்றாங்க, ரைட்? ஸோ த ஸ்டீஃபன் ஹாக்கிங், ஐன்ஸ்டைன், வாட்டர் பேபி, ரைட்? ஸோ சயின்டிஸ்ட் எப்படி சொல்ல வராங்க, there's a big bang blast have been happened in around 14 years ago. அவ்வளோ பில்லியன்ஸ், 4.57 பில்லியன் இயர்ஸ் எகோ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு பிக் பேங் நடக்குது. ஸோ பிக் பேங் இட்ஸ் லைக் மிட் ஒரு பிக் பாம், ரைட்? ஸோ பாம் தான் அது. ஆக்சுவலாக ஒரு பாம்னா என்ன நடக்கும், நம்ம ஃபயர் ஆக்சுவல் தீபாவளி சமயத்தில் ஜஸ்ட் ஹேவிங் அ ஃபயர் பாம்ஸ், ரைட்? ஸோ தெர் இஸ் அ சவுண்ட் எனர்ஜி இட் வில் பி கமிங், and there is a chemical reaction, there is a sound energy, there is a light energy, and there is a fire, right? So fire, light, and sound, and smoke. So these are the things is going to be creating, right? So the same way, at the time of big bang, so fire has been created, that's called fire action solely fire, right? So and then there is a light energy, there is a sound energy, there is a fogs, right? It's called smoke, புகைன்னு சொல்லுவேன், புகை, right? So this all happening, right? So I'm just going to start with from the light source, right? So you could see my screen, right? So this is a big plan. So once we just finished this 3 minutes video, we'll straight away move into our presentation, right? So I'm just going to start with light. So light energy பார்த்தீங்கன்னா electricity இப்போ நம்ம கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணி light energy யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். So I'm just going to beyond that universe birth, right? So beyond that cosmos birth, அங்கிருந்து light energy உங்களை I'm just going to bring you people those areas, right? Now big bang has been blasted, right? So now after some of years, now it's going, I'm just going to narrate it, right? So I think my sound is now the video illa. So now many stars has been created, it's again big blast and black holes. So time has been running around years, million years, billion years is coming, and entire that universe, right, maybe cosmos, right? So made up of dust particles, And dust particles ka it's there is a quark particles, right? So dust particles now grouped together and make a small quark particles. So quarks are sharing energy with each others, and that quark particles joined again, it will creating light energies, and light energy is now creating quark energy. That's fundamental energy. And then small electron and proton, right? So very fundamental elements, fundamental atomic particles is now created. After that, basic parts, right? Nucleus layer, we are just having a neutron, proton, and electron. Now there is a small matrix now coming. That's called atom. So many number of atoms grouped together. There is a small matter, and again it's called molecules. So now it's happening bigger things. Then one more big bang, and everything now is now blasted. Again, it's reforming. Again, it's now different kind of planets is created. Every planet there is a fog, matters, and waters, right, now created. And after some years, right, 2 billion, 3 billion years, now first thing is now biological reaction is happening, and everything is now started to creating, right? So this way science is now developed, right? So நமக்கு அப்படிதான் story சொல்லியிருக்காங்க, right? So நமக்கு தெரியாது, but we have heard a stories, right? So now biological reaction is now happening, and new species now creating. Now planets is coming, right? So after that it's now coming, right? So we could see that the animation is now happening, and many more species now evolving, right? Again there is a one more universal natural disaster is going to happen, and again human beings have started to go to evolve, right? So we need to go with that those things, right? So how the light has been creating, and how it may be utilized in these recent days, right? Now there is one more natural disaster. So dinosaurs எல்லாமே it's now getting died. அதுக்கப்புறம் we are just as a human being we are just now started around 40,000 years ago only, right? So as a human species நாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு 40,000 years முன்னாடி தான் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். But the entire universe cosmos is now 4.7 billion years ago started, right? A number of disasters has been happened, right? So in the human being species is going to be vanish, right? So இது எப்போ போகுதுன்னு தெரியல, right? So we'll go with that science, right? And now human beings have started evolving. So this video which I'm going to show you, right? So this is why the entire universe, the entire planet and entire earth is now maybe moving, right? So ipa today topic, right? So energy management and lighting system, right? So we already know as energy people, electrical people, we will already well aware of about lights and lamps, right? So these devices are simply called electrical appliances, right? So this electrical appliance is now going to convert electricity power into common light energy, right? So before invention of light or lamp, right? So before invention of electricity, how the human beings are utilizing uh, lights, right? So how they just started to use light energy, right? So I'm just going to one second go with it. I'm just going to share my screen, and then I'm just going to go with that origin of light, and then we'll just go start with that uh, current real time this day, right? Current scenario. See, இப்போ எப்படி இண்டஸ்ட்ரியில they are just using in a MNC company, like I'm speaking in a multinational MNC company, how they are in managing that lighting system in an intelligent manner, right? So we are just go with that intelligent controllers as well as, right? So as well as I have one more famous software for lighting control system, or or if there is a company is now getting evolving, right? So it's a new companies now started to evolving. So once the civil construction is over, so definitely the second construction will be electrical wiring, right? So electrical wiring is now fixed, and we need to purchase electrical motors and lighting system for that civil construction buildings, right? So we need to fix, right? So we need to fix, this is the area I'm just going to place motor, and this is the area I'm just going to place lights, So these are things we need to be designed in a predefined manner, right? So for that purpose, I'm just going to show you one more famous software that's called a Dial Lux EO, right? So I'll just have one more idea. So it will be a famous software as well as. So with that, we're just going to moving with the tomorrow class also, right? So I'm just going to today give you introduction about that software, and tomorrow we're just going to have a case study on that software, right? So இந்த இடத்துல அந்த பில்டிங்ல இந்த இடத்துல லைட் ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ண போறேன், மோட்டர் ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணோம், ஆல்ரெடி we need to design, and then we'll have a lights energy calculations, right? So லைட்டோட அவுட்புட் பாத்தீங்கன்னா brightness. So brightness நம்ம எப்படி மெஷர் பண்ணலாம் in the form of lumens, right? So already we heard about this word, right? Lumens. So we need to have that fixes count as well as எவ்வளவு லைட் நான் ஒரு ரூமுக்கு ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணணும், எந்த பிளேஸ்ல ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணணும், how many looms is required for that particular volume of that space, right? So we need to calculate, right? So we are just going to go with it like that, right? So today presentation agenda will be like this: history of light and lighting, and the lighting technology and energy efficient lighting, and we'll have that history of lighting systems with a incandescent lamp too, that's called Edison lamp to LED lights. Today we're just using energy efficient LED lights. We're just going to moving this scenario, right? And before into that, light, right? So what is meant by light? So the natural or maybe artificial agent that stimulates sights and makes things visible. So as Arundhati told that. And then what is meant by lighting? So I told that, so the process of igniting. So the Big Bang time, so the Big Bang time, there is a big blast is happening. That's called one type of igniting, right? So through igniting only we could able to get a light energy, right? Light is called a light. So that's why I told that Big Bang. So a bigger fire accident has been created. So then only we got a fire as well as light energy, right? So this is one small things which I just would like to say, right? So the history and the beginning. So before entire things, so before nothing, right? So nothing is happening, nothing is there, only dark. There is no only fully space, right? So there is no sun, there is no light, there is no solar system, there is nothing, right? So it's a empty white space, right? So now suddenly there is a big blast is happening, right? That's called a Big Bang. அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் எல்லாமே கிரியேட் ஆச்சு சொல்றாங்க. This is what a science. And we'll have our own solar system. We'll have a light energy we are just getting from a sun. So for our solar system we are just using sun. So lights பாத்தீங்கன்னா 8 minutes முன்னாடி travel ஆகி வந்துட்டு இருக்கு. பட் எவ்வளவு தூரத்துல வந்துட்டு இருக்கு? 930 lakhs miles before, right? So அங்க இருந்துட்டு light energy is coming. அங்கிருந்து ஒரு photons start ஆகுதுன்னா, photons is like uh, energy particle that's called one of selection told that this light wave energy wave particle is now traveled around 930 miles, the lakhs miles away. அங்க ஸ்டார்ட் ஆனது 8 minutes கழிச்சு எனக்கு ரிசீவ் ஆயிருக்கு. தட்ஸ் மை திஸ் மச் ஸ்பீட் இட்ஸ் நவ travels light energy, and we are getting a natural light from our sun, right? So we'll have a sun, right? So we are just getting a light energy from him, right? But in before invention of electricity and lamp, so how the people are using light energy? So we are only depending upon two systems. One is a daytime we are using sun, and nighttime we are using moon, right? So this is one more image took from ISS, International Space Station. So you could see the entire world, right? So our entire world will be like this, right? So you could see, so this entire United States of America, they are using much electricity energy. So eastern country பாத்தீங்கன்னா full இருக்காங்க, and European countries, Europe, right? It's much energy. And one more fellow, Japan. So these are the major bigger continents, right? They are using much electricity energy because they are just industrial big companies, big countries are there. That's why they are using this much things is happening. And after that Saudi Arabia and Dubai, and after that India and China, right? And some of Australia, and then these things, right? In Canada, right? So these are the major peoples that are using light energies, right? So and this is one more picture I would like to show you, right? And before invention of electricity or lamp, right? So the human peoples are living inside caves, right? So as well as there is a roof structures, we are only depending upon the light energy is depending upon only roof windows, right? So from roof windows you could have only sunsets, right? So from this you could able to have a sunlight, and that's called the brightest energy. right? So after some of the days, right, so in night, right, so during daytime no issues, but during night times it's a very difficulty to handle the physical project, physical materials, because we uh, there is no light energy in during night time. So that's why they started to found a fire, right? So it's a very very important as well as most what could I say, in the வேர்ல்டுலேயே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இட்ஸ் ஃபேமஸ் இன்வென்ஷன் இஸ் நவ் ஃபயர் தான், ரைட்? ஸோ ஹியூமன் ஃபைன் பண்ணதுலேயே இட்ஸ் மற்ற அனிமலுக்குள்ள இல்லை பவர் இந்த ஆஸ் அ ஹியூமன் பீங்க்கு வி ஜஸ்ட் ஃபவுண்ட் அ ஃபயர். As this fire வச்சு தான் we could develop the entire that civilization has been entirely changed, right, with the help of fire, right? So இது வச்சு தான் டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட் நடக்குது. டீசல் இன்ஜின் எப்படி ஒர்க் ஆகுது, there is a fire in between inside that engine, right? So entire transportation, traveler, that's air transportation, or maybe road transportation, whatever may be, everything is now started with this fire, right? So in the fire there is a heat, right? So heat energy is now converted into fire energy, right? So this is called fire. So electricity is a famous, right? So we got electricity from through this fire, help of this fire, right? So how we are just going to burn a coal is now converted into heat. So coal direct heat energy use பண்ணி தான் நம்ம just converting into ஃபயர், ரைட்? ஸோ ஃபயர் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ அங்கேயே ஃபயர் தான் தேவைப்படுது. சோர்ஸ் ஆஃப் எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டிக்கும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபயர் தேவைப்படுது. பட் ஆஃப்டர் சோலார் பேனல் மேபி விண்ட் மில், ரைட்? விண்ட் மில், சோலார் பேனல், பயோகேஸ், ஸோ அதெல்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா we are just directly converted into electricity. But majority of electricity is consuming depend on this fire technique also, right? Coal fired plant, right? So it's the most important thing, right? So and one more invention, wheel. So wheel, so அதுக்கப்புறம் one more stitching needle, right? So these are the very famous as well as very important and inventions in the ever made in world, right? So wheel, fire and needle. So இது மட்டும் தான் மேஜர் இன்வென்ஷன். அதுக்கப்புறம் இன்டர்நெட் இதெல்லாம் இட்ஸ் வெரி ஸ்மால், ரைட்? And telescope, camera, both are the very very small things compared to this fire and wheel and needle, right? So it's a very biggest evergreen, what could say, ever made small important technique, right? And then after that the years has been somewhat gone, right? So the human peoples are evolving in physiology as well as mentally, and they are using nighttime also. During nighttime they are using inside caves they are using fire with the help of mineral oil or maybe those things. They all started about vegetable fats they are used as a fuel, right? And some years again, some of the years again gone, and they will just started with the pottery lamps, right? So oil pot lamps, you just maybe heard about these things. So Deepavali times, the Kartika Deepam, they will just use this one, right? And after that, some of the days, some of the years gone, again they found candles, right? So this also will giving you light energy around that environment. After that we are just using, instead of oil they just move with it to kerosene. So after invention of fuel like petrol, kerosene, diesel, they just using this type of lamps, right? So after that they just moving into first electricity bulb, right? So first electricity bulb has been developed, and then this incandescent lamp, after that it's also giving a brightness and it will be converted into this type. It is called a chlorofluorescent lamp or maybe a fluorescent lamp, and it will be converted into CFL fluorophorescent, and then it will be converted into mercury lamp, it will be converted into LED. Now we'll have here, now we are here. So fundamental thing எல்லாம் சேம் தான். நல்லா வாட்ச் பண்ணீங்கன்னா தெரியும். We are giving electricity or energy over here, and there is a heat energy is now converting, heat energy is now converted into light energy. இதுதான் எல்லாத்துலயுமே நடக்குது. So nothing, technology has been changed, right? The same technology which we are just discussed here. கேவ்ஸ்ல நீங்க என்ன ஆயில் எனர்ஜி என்ன பண்ணீங்க, ஹீட் எனர்ஜி மாத்துனீங்க. அதே தான் still now it's to be there, but somewhat updation has been changed. அவ்வளவுதான் அதனுடைய ஏரியா and looks like உள்ள யூஸ் பண்ற எலிமெண்ட், this only has been changed, but fundamental idea is the same. That's called heat is now, that doesn't change, right? So I think you hope traveled with me, right? So நிறைய பார்த்திருப்பீங்க. And today we are directly jump into the today topic. So why energy efficient lighting is now important in anywhere, maybe in industry or maybe a building or maybe a warehouse or maybe a residential area, right? So why it's more efficient? So if it doesn't have any proper methodology, so there is a high energy bills will be coming. That's called EB bill. So electricity bill, it will be coming if you're not having a perfect plan or perfect system, you are not installed or you are not followed. there is a high energy bill will be there, right? So as well as if you're just consuming high energy, if you're consuming high energy, there is a demand of electricity generation. It will be very high. Automatically, it will be going to increase. And if you have just got energy demand as a power plant or maybe a energy generator, what they will do, they will just use more coal to burn and more energy they just generate it. So that's why there is a environmental problems will be going to be increased. That's called CO2 emission, and global temperature is changing, global warming is going to be generated there. So பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இது சின்ன ஒர்க் தான், பட் இட் will be related to different areas. நான் ஒரு லைட் யூஸ் பண்ண போறதில்ல, in our homes around 20 lamp is பண்ணா for a single residential home we will have 20 varieties of lamps, right? So bigger street garden lights, kitchen light, bedroom, right? So roof lights, we are having different types of lighting system for a single home, around 20 lights in sense, a whole residential area and whole street, whole town, whole city, whole district, whole state. Imagine how many lights we are just using, how many electricity is now going to be consumed. It's called this thing is now linked with the energy demand, that will be linked with the environmental problems, right? And lighting is also most thing which is consuming more electricity consumptions, right? So after motor, so in industry, motor is going to consuming around 70% of electricity energy. So after that, the light is now coming around 3 to 10%. 3 to 10% of electricity is consumed by lighting systems in our industry, right? And the light energy consumption, right? I told that it. So in industrial, around 3 to 10% of industry they are using, they're just going to consume this type of energy. And commercial building around 20 to 40. Commercial building like a residential or maybe a car parking, and commercial building like shopping malls, right? So these are the things is going to consume around 20 to 40% of electricity energy only by light energy. And cinema theater or mall, you can have a number of examples, right? So அங்கெல்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா light energy is much important. ஸோ ஒரு ஷாப்பிங் மால் போறீங்கன்னா, ஒரு ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஒரு சில்க் ஷோரூம் போறீங்கன்னா, டெஃபினட்டா லைட் இஸ் ரொம்ப பிரைட்டா இருக்கும். ஒரு எலக்ட்ரானிக் ஷாப்குள்ள போனா இந்த லைட் எனர்ஜிஸ் வெரி வெரி பிரைட்டா இருக்கும். மேபி ஹோட்டல்ஸ், ரைட்? ஸோ இங்கெல்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபுல் பிரைட்னஸ் வச்சிருப்பாங்க. த ஹியூமன் பீப்புள் ஒன்லி அட்ராக்டட் பை தட் லைட் எனர்ஜிஸ். யூ குடன்ட் ஃபைண்ட் இட், பட் your brain is now attracted by that light energies, right? So that's why they are using much light energy. So you could have that real feeling of silk industries, right? So dress or mall kulla poitina lights full bright ah irukum. So automatically நம்ம பைக்ல போனா கூட the automatically mind is now diverted into those areas. That's why it's a big thing is happening. That's why it's 20 to 40% of rate energy is now electricity energy is consumed by lighting system in commercial building. Industrial it's now somewhat very less, right? So 3 to 10%. So these are the uh, things which we need to consider, and these are the things which included. So for that purpose, we are just going with that energy efficient lighting system. We are just going to focus in, right? So we'll start. So after invention of this incandescent lamp, right? So there is a huge heat is going to be generated, right? So there is a tungsten filament, it will be over here. So anyway, we are just getting light energies from this setup, but even though there is a big drawback over that, right? So I'm just going to start with that, right? So before into them to direct into that, so I'm just going to show you one more small video before into that. Yes, 1 second. I have missed my the PPT. I guess I just missed it. So anyway, right? So this is a small comparison between incandescent lamp, right? So an LED lamp. So in that, so while using LED lamp, so definitely you could have a life also. It will be very shorter. So compared to my normal incandescent lamp, because we are in LED, we are just using drivers, right? So LED drivers, right? So we need to go with that electronic devices. So electronic device or life pathina, it will be very less. That's why the LED lamp or lights pathina 15,000 hours. But in our incandescent lamp, a tube light fluorescent lamp, which has much higher life, but energy savings pathina both are same. But lights, right? So especially speaking, right? So my lamp, so எனக்கு லைட்டோட அவுட்புட் தான் இஸ் மோஸ்ட் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட், ரைட்? ஸோ லைட்டோட அவுட்புட் தான் இஸ் மோஸ்ட் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். கம்பேர்ட் டு இன்கண்டசன்ட் லேம்ப், மை எல்இடி இஸ் நவ் மச் ஹையர் தன் தட் ஆஃப் பிரைட்னஸ். தட்ஸ் கால்டு லூமென்ஸ். ஸோ பிரைட்னஸ் எப்படி மெஷர் பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா லூமென்ஸ்ல மெஷர் பண்ணுவாங்க. lumens. That's called watts per lumens. So முன்னெல்லாம் நம்ம lamp will have small example. So the last 20 30 years ago, so we can have only money based lighting system. ஒரு 100 rupee bulb கொடுங்க, 200 rupee bulb கொடுங்க, இல்லை 50 rupee bulb கொடுங்க தான் வாங்கிட்டு இருக்கோம். After 10 years அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணாங்கன்னா, around they will just called as 10 watts bulb and 40 watts bulb. So கொஞ்சம் அவேர்னஸ் கிரியேட் ஆச்சு. 40 watts bulb கொடுங்க, ரைட். ஸோ ஏன்னா எனர்ஜி அதிகமாக பெய்டு பண்ணுறோன்னு தெரிஞ்சிருச்சு எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி. தென் ஜஸ்ட் கஸ்டமர்ஸ் மூட் இட்ஸ் லைக் அவர் பீப்புள், ரைட். ஸோ ஐ கேன் ஹேவ் தட் சேம் ஃபீலிங், ஜஸ்ட் 10 watts bulb, 20 watts bulb, 40 watts, 100 watts இப்படி கேட்டுட்டு. nowadays the people are asking about எனக்கு 2500 லூமன்ஸ் இருக்கிற பல்ப் கொடுங்க, இல்லைன்னா அரௌண்ட் 3000 வாட்ஸ் இருக்கிற 3000 லூமன்ஸ் இருக்கிற பல்ப் கொடுங்க, ரைட். ஸோ யூ could have that name specific. I'm just going to show you the nameplate details, right. So lumens per watts, for example, ஒரு வாட்ஸுக்கு it's going to give you 100 lumens lines, right? That's called lumens, right. So photons or lines, right. So if a 40 watts bulb is how many lums? So 4000 lums. So automatically 4000 lums, right. So it has a higher brightness, right. So LEDs are nowadays are getting around 1500 lumens on that, compared to my old fluorescent incandescent around only 1000 lums, right. So இதெல்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 1500 2000 it's now coming. So per watts around 100 watts மேலே போயிட்டு 100 lumens மேலே போயிட்டு இருக்கு. That's why as a Indian government or maybe a worldwide government, right, they just preferring LED lighting. So the same way energy saving it will be same 40 to 60%, but energy consumption wise speaking, this much high energy is going to be consuming, but the LED is now very less. For example, இது 100 watts எடுக்குதுன்னா இது வெறும் 15 watts தான் எடுக்கும், right. So the same way brightness is very high, and only one drawback is that lifespan is very little bit low because of electronic devices we are using. So our life ரொம்ப கம்மியா இருக்கு, right. So that's why I'm just going to show you. So and there is induction type these things, and it's all industry, right. So we'll going to discuss by today. Before into that, I'm just going to play one video. So this is a video I'm just going to share with you, right. So around 10 lumens per watts now, it's giving around 80 lumens per watts, right. So it's most useful one. So this is why LED, right. So is now preferring. So one more thing, we have crossed ballast type lighting system, right. So while we are crossing power factor correction, so the same issue, so it will be there, right. So if you are using copper ballast in induction, sorry, it's called carbon fluorescent lamp, right. So definitely there is a power factor is very high. So right, see, I'm just going to show you that. So we need to consider that power factor correction also while using that lighting systems. But so to avoid this, so we're just going to directly move into LED lighting system. So by using LED, so you could able to have a number of features as well as benefits, right. So lower temperature and green product, no harm emissions, and you could have different size and different types of energy sites. So definitely energy savings will be very high, right. So dimming of your brightness is now somewhat interesting, right. So we'll go with it. And these are the LED applications: street light, industry, and traffic lights, and commercial buildings, right? So today, actually, we are just moving into industries. So lighting in industrial facilities. So we'll have a number of opportunities, right? In our home now, we'll have a different types of sections, right? So kitchen, garden, as well as a hall, and a studying room, bedroom, as well as rooftop, right? So we'll have a controlling on those lighting systems by using a smartphone, right? So nowadays, many more smart lighting control system is available in our homes. So anyway, I'm just going to show one more small video. So there is a company name called Omron, right? So it's a famous switching devices. And one more company I'm just going to share with you, right? So I'm just going to share that video. So the same way, how you could control the lighting system in your home, right? As well as in industry also, there is a variety of opportunities will be there, right? So in our industries. So homesல பாத்தீங்கன்னா energy consumption is very less, right? So lighting ஓட energy consumption is very less. So anyway, I'm just going to share 2 minutes video.
Behind me, and Noon uses intelligent algorithms to give you 3 presets based on your lighting. And this is where I feel like Noon separates itself from the competition, because you can have up to 6 scenes and control them directly from the room director. So if I decide I want all my lights on and I want the brightest scene, I just use bright and it will turn on all my lights.
Now this is a new inventions, right? That's around 2 years ago. So these are the things happening, right? So you could have a entire homes, right? We'll have a common control system over here. So there is a touch screen, so you could have a different programming, right? So full bright, so moonlight, so dark night. So you could have the 10 number of options, right? So every light is now connected with the common control system. It's like this, right? So while entering area of your home, maybe inside a first door, should have that control system,
that
right?
just lights this whole place up. But if I want to just cook in the kitchen and I wanted to be concentrated in the kitchen area, and then show you some of the other ones that I have on here. I have every day, which I can just leave this on during the day. It's a nice mellow look. And I even have relax. It's even dimmer than that, so I can just keep it on like this, maybe in the evening time. And when I'm ready to go to bed, I have a good night preset, so it just turns all my lights
This
off.
is called a good night preset. So இது நீங்க செட் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா எல்லா லைட்டும் ஆஃப் ஆயிடும், right? So these are the small home automation techniques will be available, right? So and it in industry, while speaking industry, right? So in industry we are just using n number of lights. I told that around 3 to 10% of electricity consumed by energy is now going to lighting systems. While speaking in amount of money, it will be somewhat huge money in industry, right? So how we are just going to do, sir? I will have a question, right? In industry, how we are just going to do? There is a 7 set of system points available. So before into that, I'm just going to straight away moving into the points, and then we're just going to one more video how the industry is now able to reduce electricity bill using a lighting system. And there is a number of opportunities will be available in industry. Let us consider, right? So this is one of example warehouse, right? So there is a forklift is now getting loaded as well as unloaded, right? So a big warehouse, right? So here nowadays fully automated systems will be available. There is a line follow system will be available. This robot, this based system இருக்கலாம். So definitely it needs huge lighting system as well as human operate பண்ணனும். We need a good visible lighting system is needed. So for that purpose you could see one in the line பாருங்க 1 2 3 4 how many lines, right? So எல்லா lines பாத்தீங்கன்னா light is now right is turned on, right? So each and every light is called high intensity light. So HID ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, high intensity distribution light. ஸோ இந்த ஒரு லைட்டோட வாட்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அரௌண்ட் 350 வாட்ஸ் இருக்கும். 350 to 450 வாட்ஸ் இருக்கும். ஜஸ்ட் இமேஜின் 350 watts to 450 watts. In our home we are using only tube light, so or maybe CFLF or LED light. It will varies from 15 watts to 46 watts or 40 watts in our home systems. or rooftop மட்டும் around 200 watts இருக்கும் rooftop, right? So remaining எல்லாமே which minimum 115 20 40 தான் இருக்கும், right? In industry, while speaking large floor, right? So large floor area, right? So around 1000 2000 3000 square feet இருக்கிற area, right? So definitely it needs more lighting system, that's why the wattage will be very very high. So up imagine, so 1 kilowatt hour, right? So 1 kilowatt hour 1 minute னு சொல்லுவோம், right? So around 8 rupee we are just going to spend. So இப்போ ரெண்டு லைட் ஆட் பண்ண எவ்வளோ ஆச்சு உங்களுக்கு? அரௌண்ட் 800 வந்துருச்சு, right? So 3 லைட்ஸ்னாவே, so only 1 2 3 3 லைட்ஸ்னாவே 1 யூனிட் வந்து 1 hour ஓடுச்சுன்னா 8 rupee we need to pay. So imagine how many lights we need to put in one hour, right? So that is the cost of electricity. Actually network disconnected, so someone has been called me, so that's why hotspot disconnected, right? So in industry, right? So we'll have a number of opportunities, right? So we'll have a number of opportunities to lighting control systems to reduce electricity consumption based on the reduce பண்ணிக்கலாம். Right, I'm just going to share my PPT one second. Right, so first thing we need to switch on light or maybe off and manually or maybe automatically. So by for the purpose we are having electrical lighting control systems, right? So through this we could able to reduce much electricity energy consumption, right? Wastage we could able to reduce it, right? So by doing a controls on our lighting systems and replace old tube light into T8 tube light. So we'll discuss, right, what is T12 or எல்லாமே tube light தானே சார், எல்லாமே chlorofluorescent lamp தானே, CFL bulb தானே, but what is called T12 T8 T5 and T2, right? So this is called different types of tube lights, so we will be going to deal with that. And replacing existing mercury lights into high pressure sodium lights. So by replacing this, so இந்த மாதிரி லைட் எங்க போனா larger space is required, right? So larger industries ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா they are using mercury lamp. So நீங்க street light ல பாத்துருப்பீங்களே, it's some of the bigger street Bangalore சென்னையில பாத்தீங்கன்னா it's now the road side will have sodium lamps, right? So they just replaced with the mercury lamps nowadays. And in metal halide, right, that's called HI intensity light, replace that. We just go with that high intensity fluorescent lights, right? So in a rooftop, right? So rooftop we're just going to replace this metal halide, right? That's called bigger festival லாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா that focus light they just called us, right? So நீங்க cricket stadium பார்த்திருப்பீங்கன்னா மேல lighting systems cricket stadium, right? So now we are just moving into now high intensity fluorescent. So last previous years லாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா we are using metal halide lights, right? High intensity lights. And then one more type, by replacing magnetic ballast with electronic ballast you could able to reducing power factor, and we'll go with that optimization based department, right? So based upon, we'll go with one more example you could see. So optimization of plant lighting. So some plant in a department, some of the sections it has minimum light is required, some of the areas now require more brightness compared to one more department, so we need to go with that optimization of plant lighting. So we need to give you the brightness, right? So some of the section பாத்தீங்கன்னா brightness அதிகமா தேவைப்படும், some section in industry எனக்கு lighting அதிகமா தேவைப்படாது, right? So that's why we need to go with that optimization. And finally we need to use our natural sunlight, so in optimum manner, right? So these are the 7 techniques will be is majorly required or maybe considered into light management in industries, right? So one is that, so lighting control, so and then replace of old 12 tubes into tube 8, and mercury lamps like we're just going to convert it into sodium lamps, as well as metal halide light is we're just to replace into high light fluorescent lamp, and we're just going to remove that copper ballast, that's called a magnetic ballast with electronic ballast, and plant optimization and the natural sunlight, right? So we're just going to focus these 7 steps, right? So first thing, light, we'll detail in detail பார்க்கலாம். And lighting control, right? So this is called LDB ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, industry will call it as LDB, that's called light distribution board அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, light distribution board LDB panel சொல்லுவாங்க, right? So light distribution board, right? So I told that, right? So it could be this is called every switches, that's called MCB, miniature circuit breaker, right? So each and every miniature small circuit breaker is going to control a single light. So around பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு 10 20 30 40 50 60 lamps இருக்கும். So 60 lamps we are having individual connections, right? So individual lamp connections, right? And if you just want to manually switch on or manually switch off, it will be, you could be able to do that, right? As well as nowadays இது ஒரு human போயிட்டு electrician, maybe he just going to physically sees that industry roof. So இங்க humans work பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்கன்னா இந்த ஏரியா மட்டும் நம்ம லைட் ஆன் பண்ணிக்கலாம், just to have manual operations. Otherwise we'll have now as a small we're having sensors, right? So nowadays we'll have a sensors, right? So in PIR sensor or maybe a ultrasonic sensors, right? So these are the sensors, acoustic sensors we are using used to detect the motions, right? So used to detect the motions of objects over here. If the forklift is moving, definitely we'll have a IR sensor or maybe infrared sensor is now fixed with this lighting system. So if there is a movement is now happening, definitely this light is going to be switched on. Otherwise there is no operation, definitely it will be off state. So through this automatic control system you could able to reduce electricity consumption as well, right? So this is also happening by doing manual operations you could also do, right? So automatic also you could do, right? That entire payback period will be started from within the 3 years, right? So we need to install many sensors and many control system wiring system we need to install. So the payback period will be started about 2 to 3 years. 3 years kapra you could have able to have a payback, right? So and then second one, replace T12 and T8. So today I'm just going to stop it somewhere T12 T8 this system, right? So T12 in the sense we'll have 3 different types of things, right? So you know the dia இருக்குல்ல, the lamp or dia in the outer dia, right? So this dia, right, around this dia only we are just having this much dia. And if you are just having T12 means 3.8 centimeter dia tubes, right? So this is why called 12 by 8, they will call this 12 by 8 inch, right? So இதுவே பாத்தீங்கன்னா T8 பாத்தீங்கன்னா will have a 1 by 8, right? So we'll have dias will be very small. So we are just going to use based upon this dia, this called nomenclature சொல்லுவாங்க, right? So we are just going to while purchasing this tube light they will have a name plates, vertical motors இருக்கிற மாதிரி இதுக்கும் இருக்கும், right? So இதனுடைய வாட்ஸ் எவ்வளோ, இதனுடைய dia எவ்வளோ, that's called tube light ஓட maximum dia எவ்வளோ, and how many lumens it's going to be generate, how many running hours இருக்கும், இது எல்லாமே சொல்லிடுவாங்க, right? So you can have, this is called example for LED recent LED lights. So this is a recent LED tube lights. So marketலாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இப்போ இதுதான் இருக்கும், இந்த மாதிரி லைட்ஸ் தான் இருக்கும் nowadays. CFL bulb it's now started to stop, actually manufacturing stop பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க. Nowadays we'll have only LEDs, right? So இந்த LED run பண்ணணும்னா I need a electronic drivers, right? This is electronic drivers. So இது ரெண்டு ஒன்று இருக்காது, that's called ஒரு step down transformer இருக்கும். So we'll have 230 volt single phase power supply இருக்கும் in our wall. So it needs to be stepped down to this LED, right? So LED பார்த்தீங்கன்னா around 5 volt 12 voltல ரன் ஆகிட்டு இருக்குது. So definitely I need to convert this 230 voltage into stepped down. Definitely my these things will be going to happen. So transformer AC voltage is now directly apply பண்ண முடியாது. Definitely we need a rectifier circuit that's called AC to DC, and the DC voltage again I need to boost it to somewhere for 12 volt or 60 volt steady state மாத்தணும். And these all the electronic circuits will be available over here. That's called, simply we call it as driver circuit. It will be here. So now I already told that, so life of this LED bulb is will be somewhat less, right? So why, in the sense 50,000 hours தான், right? So இவ்வளவு கூட ரன் ஆகுறது இல்ல. So last week also in my home there is a LED bulb is now gone, right? So இவ்வளவு ஹவர்ஸ்ல வராது. So there is a voltage fluctuation is always happening inside our domestic purpose, right? So voltage fluctuation அதிகமா இருக்கும் input sideல. So அப்ப என்னுடைய electronic device is now getting failure. The chances will be very high. Failure chance will be very high because input voltage fluctuation, right? So right, so and then initial output of this light is very high because of, right, it's less consumption as well as, right? So because of LEDs, right? So we'll have higher lumens, right, compared to my incandescent lamps. That's why, right? So the somewhere here I'm just going to stop it here. I'm just going to continue with the tomorrow classes with the replace of mercury lights in warehouse, right? So we'll discuss that. I'm just going to introduce the one software name, right? So I'm just going to share that software 1 second. So you could be able to design your own lighting management system in any of the company, right? So I'm just going to share with you 1 second. I think only 2 minutes more. Yes, I think my screen is visible. So I'm just going to just introduce that software name. So tomorrow class we are just going to discuss, right? So this is a software dial lux. That the software name itself has the meaning, right? It's called lumens. Lumens or any particular lux da solluva, right? It's called dial lux. So this is a worldwide standard lighting design software, right? So we'll design, able to calculate and visualize the light, right? So for a single room, whole building, street and outdoor areas and daylighting, maybe industries, right? So we'll go with that. So in the software around 500 MB, half GB, just download it. So I'm just going to share some tutorials as well as, right? So you could have that real feeling, right? So either one more software in industry, it's definitely it's a good useful software as well as, right? So lighting system, so you can have more knowledge on this software also, right? So I'm just with that, I'm just going to conclude over here and we'll meet by tomorrow class, I guess, right? So லைட்டிங்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம சிம்பிளா நினைச்சிருப்போம், லைட்டிங்னா ரெண்டு வயர் கொடுத்தா லைட் எரிய போகுது அப்படின்னு தான் நினைச்சிட்டு இருக்கோம். பட் it's professionally speaking, it's a very important topic as well as while speaking professionally, right? So we'll meet by tomorrow class, I guess, right? So thank you all, thanks for listening, right? So we'll meet by tomorrow. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.